So I've got this Lexus in front of me going about 10 miles an hour. Anyway, what's up everybody? Today we are heading over to 865 Motorsports Bodyworks to check out the latest on the 240Z project. And apparently a lot has happened since I've last been there, so let's go check it out and see what's up. Alright, so here's the latest on the 240. Let's see, we have coilovers were put in. This might be hard to see, but yeah, this is going to be hard to see. All new floorboards put in. So as you can see here, there's a lot of metal work that was done over here also. And again, here's the new floor pans. It's definitely a cool car. I think the original plan was for the owner, he was going to track this car. But I think he's now decided that he's just going to use it as a street car. I don't blame him. It's going to be pretty damn cool looking when it's finished. Alright, lowered the car down a little bit now so you can see the new floorboards inside. Definitely came out really nice. And then back here, this is some of the metal work I was talking about. All this piece here was, this section here, and this section here was rotted out. So they basically refabricated that part. Up front now we have new 4-piston calipers. You can see some of the new suspension bushings, and there's the coilovers. So in the back he's sticking with the drum brakes, but they're redoing them completely. There's some more suspension parts and new coilover. Probably really hard to see on this camera, but the body is so nice and straight now. It was good to begin with, but now it's really nice. It's definitely going to be a cool car. I'm really looking forward to seeing when this one's done. So if you remember in part 1, the original video I made of this car, I said the owner was going to replace the motor once he got it home and once all the body work and everything else was done. So it's looking now like the motor might actually be replaced here, so that would be good. This way it's completely finished, and I'll be able to get all that on video. But if not, it's still going to be a really cool car once it leaves here. Alright, so that's it for part 2. Stay tuned for part 3, because now that the floor pans are in, a lot of the metal fabrication and almost all the body work is completed now, so things are going to start moving along pretty quickly, and the car should have paint on it pretty soon, which I'm really looking forward to. It's going to be so nice when it's done. Just a quick side note before I leave here, this Cadillac is going to be another project that I'm going to cover. I'll explain more about it when I do a part 1, but let's just say it's going to be a really freaking cool project. This thing is enormous. But big plans for this one. Definitely gonna be cool. Alright guys, that's the latest from 865, and thanks for watching part 2 of the 240 build. That's gonna be a pretty cool car when it's done. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and we'll see you guys soon.